How to open zip files on Android. That's what I will show you in this video. But before we begin, make sure to subscribe to the channel and ring the bell to get notified whenever a new video is uploaded. With that said, let's get started. So in order for you to open zip files on your Android phone, you will need an app. So go ahead and open up your Play Store and search for Zarchiver. Once you have installed the app, open it. And here you will need to locate the zip file. You can either search for it manually or you can search for it using the search tool. Once the zip file has been located, click on it, and from the pop-up menu list at the bottom, click on View. And here you will be able to see all of what that zip file contains right here. It's very easy and simple. So that was it for this video. That's how you can open zip files in any Android phone. If you have any questions, please leave them in the comment section down below. With that said, see you in the next video.